The performance of the product is closely related to the technical characteristics of the antenna under ideal conditions of installation and use: SWR less than or equal to 1.1, maximum applied power 300 watts, impedance 50 ohms, stainless steel, etc. The distance of communication is another decisive factor in the acquisition and use of a CB antenna. Thus, the maximum communication distance of 15 kilometers is reached in ideal working conditions: calibrated antenna, open field without obstacles, station with maximum legal power of 4 watts and standard reception. Any obstacles such as hills, mountains, buildings, walls can reduce the distance. The length of the antenna is another very important factor that can influence the communication distance in traffic. As long as the antenna is longer, the longer the communication distance and the radius of action. This antenna has the possibility to recline and lean from the butterfly with which it is provided to enter the passages, garages or parking lots with low height. Apart from these situations, an angle bending of more than 30 degrees is not recommended because it can seriously affect the performance of the antenna. This antenna is ready for installation and use with everything you need: the butterfly antenna, the DV mount, the 4-meter cable with DV jack and the calibration Allen. All you have to do is assemble it, mount it on your car on a fixed or ceiling mount, connect it to a CB radio station and calibrate it to use it at maximum performance.